nakaka-stress pero sana maging worth it lahat. Hi! So, ngayon last shooting day ko na dun sa pre-debut ko, tapos magpipictorial kami para sa papakita nila dun sa LED wall. So, ito yung outfit ko. 갑자기 내게 나타나준 너 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없어 ni Daddy, pero magta 10 PM na. 10 PM daw yung landing niya. So yeah, we basically puyaters bukas. Mag-birthday ako. May bagsak ko ng malaki dito. So, dito na kami sa resort. Ayan, nagpa-prepare na sila. So, ito yung swimming pool. Oh, so nice. Ang ganda. So, ayun, nagpa-prepare na sila. Ayan, ang ganda ng decoration. So, mamaya magpa-party-party yung DJ dito. So, sana makapture ko lahat. And yung nag-SDE kasi guys, mamaya pa daw 2 PM. So, kailangan ko nang mag-prepare before then para makapag Don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. So ayun, dito na kami sa mismong venue. Ah, shit. So, nakapag-shoot na kami ng SDE and dito na kami banda sa venue. Nakaka-stress pero sana maging worth it lahat. And ang ganda na ng venue guys. Ayun yung band. Tapos yung photo booth dun pala sila banda or dito. Tapos ayan guys yung entrance. Hi guys, so it's already 6 PM. Wala pa yung mga bisita. I'm still ready. Hindi ko lang kung may kulang pa ako picture. Pero nakapag-ready na yung mga family ko. I-interview na lang kami. Wow! Mag-hibo ka ni. Wedding lang ulit.
Thank you very much. And we're going to have more of their music later on.
Hi guys! Nandito na sila yung mga influencers.
Ay! Mapati siya! Kita mo na pati niya.
Hi! Getting ready para mag-introduce ulit. Second set. Hi guys, this is me Vince editing. Hindi ko pwedeng ipakita yung SDE sa inyo kasi maka-copyright ako, but I will show you guys some snippet of that video. I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. So basically, that's my birthday. That's how I imagined my birthday would be, and I'm so happy na naging worth it lahat ng pagod, all the preparations and all. And also, thank you sa lahat ng nag-organize, from the decorations, catering, bands, sounds and lights, the venue, and also thank you Lord because He made this all possible and I couldn't ask for more, diba? Ayun, yung dream birthday ko natupad na and I am looking forward dahil 21 years old na ako and adult na talaga ako. Bagong chapter to ng buhay ko and hindi ko alam kung pangaharapin kong problema, mga accomplishment, pero kasama ko kayo guys sa magiging journey ko. Hindi ko man napakita lahat ng full content ng birthday ko but that's how it is. Yun talaga guys, super na busy na talaga ako and syempre nasikaso ko na lahat ng mga guests. But yeah, I think that is it for this video. Thank you for watching this and for joining my birthday celebration. So abangan nyo yung next vlog ko dahil travel vlog ulit tayo. Ayun, sa mga hindi pa nakakapag-subscribe, mag-subscribe kayo and see you on my next vlog. Bye bye!